Next is Senator Jay Versito.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Good morning, everyone. To my colleagues, the resource persons present. First of all, I'd like to thank the chair for his leadership in convening the Protect Committee, which is now is the best time, I would say, to assess what the government is doing so far and to inquire on the economic impact of the Middle East tension, not just to our country as a whole, but more specifically to the Filipino households. Mr. Chair, neighboring countries like Vietnam, Thailand, and Indonesia are already implementing measures in the form of suspension of import tariffs, extensive government subsidies, and activating their oil fund and strategic reserves in terms of providing relief to the people. They have moved decisively while we are trailing behind and caught unprepared. It is our minimum wage earners, the PUV drivers, our OFWs, and Filipino breadwinners who bear the heaviest burden of the crisis. Our response must go beyond providing aid. It must be about systematic protection. Kailangan rin po nating pagtuunan ng pansin ang ating mga middle class income earners na siyang bubuo sa 40% ng ating populasyon. Sila rin po ang sumasalot mapasan sa bigat ng krisis na itong ngunit walang nakalaang ayuda para sa kanila. Mayroon po panawagan sa ating mga ahensya tungkol sa pagbuo ng Interagency Task Force para sa kolektibong pagkilos ng gobyerno sa panahon ng ganitong krisis. Mainam po sana na sa gitna ng krisis ay agara itong ibinuo at kumikilos upang makapagbigay din ng agarang mga solusyon. Mr. Chair, I agree with my colleague, Senator Bam, that we are already in crisis. No? Hindi na po normal ang sitwasyon. And what we have to do right now is do the preparations just like during the COVID when there was uncertainty. Hindi po natin alam hanggang kailan at kung saan patutunguhan ang nangyayari pong krisis na ito. Dapat ganun din po ang preparasyon na ginagawa ng mga ahensya. Our response must go beyond short-term relief. Ang ating mga kababayan ay nakatingin at tumaasa po sa atin. Ipakita po natin na malinaw, mabilis ang konkretong aksyon, may konkretong aksyon na ating pamahalaan para po sa kanila. Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Next.